Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a headlight on a Honda Ridgeline, updated. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake. Open the hood and locate the headlight assembly. Remove the electrical connector gently, then unclip or unscrew the assembly as needed. Replace the bulb using gloves or a clean cloth to avoid oil transfer. Reassemble in reverse order and test the new headlight before closing the hood. Before you begin, make sure you have the right bulb and simple tools to make the swap quick and safe. Confirm the bulb type listed in your owner manual or on the old bulb. Lay out a socket set, flat screwdriver, and a clean cloth to handle the replacement bulb. Turn off all lights, disconnect the battery if you prefer extra safety, and keep parts organized to speed up reassembly. If you're enjoying these tips, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tightly and stack neatly for grab-and-go lunches. They save time and keep your workbench snacks spill-free while you wrench on the truck. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. With tools ready, remove the screws or clips holding the headlight assembly and set them aside. Gently pull the assembly forward just enough to access the electrical connector and unplug it. Release the bulb retaining ring or clip and remove the old bulb. Place the new bulb with a cloth, secure the ring or clip, reconnect the wiring, and reinstall the assembly. Test the headlight and adjust aim if necessary for proper alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.